So just let me tell one or two stories so that you can understand. Just in your day, in the normal, in our houses, these type of things are happening. A 10-year-old boy named Rahul. Rahul is the name. A small kid, 10-year-old. He loved drawing. Every evening after the school, he would sit quietly and make colorful pictures because he is interested in drawing. He created okay, the pictures and so on with colorful pictures like that. One day, he proudly showed a drawing to his father. Observe very carefully, man. One day, he proudly showed drawing to his father. Okay, like that. Just like your kid showing marks sheet for you proudly, or otherwise answer sheets for you proudly. Okay, like that. So he showed his colorful painting to his father. Then the father looked at it for just 2 seconds and said, the tree is very small. The tree, what you draw, seems to be very small, like he told. Then Rahul became silent. The next day, he drew another picture. And he showed. His father said, your coloring is not up to the mark. Coloring is not up to the mark. You didn't use the proper colors. Okay, like he told. After a few weeks, Rahul stopped drawing completely. Okay, because, have you observed? Because the father is always telling the mistakes only. He's not giving importance, he's not appreciating his efforts. He stopped drawing completely. He loves the drawing, that drawing also he left. On Sunday, Rahul's uncle visited their home. He saw one of his old drawings, what he draw. He smiled and said, Rahul's uncle, he smiled and said, wow, Rahul, you have a wonderful imagination. I really like how you draw, okay, these mountains. Keep practicing. You will become excellent artist. I said, wonderful, man, wonderful. So the way, the mountains, all the things you did wonderfully. Keep practice. Whenever you have, you will become excellent artist like Rahul's. Can you please imagine what the Rahul's feeling? Paintings are the same. One person saw the mistake, another person saw the good things. Then Rahul face 100 candle bulb, tube light, how it is so? Full bright, full bright light up. The very next day, he started drawing again. Within a year, he won the first prize in the school paint competitions, artist. So, in the school art competition, he got the first prize within 1 year. Friends, observe very carefully. The father wanted improvement. The uncle gave appreciation. One point out the mistakes, the other built confidence. Which changed, who changed Rahul's life? Is the father or the uncle?
Uncle, sir.
Uncle.
Remember that.